What is up? What is good, guys? Oh, good morning. Good morning. I can still see the sleep in my eyes. I've not been able to sleep for days now, like for days because of it's because of the market actually. I won't say it's because of my exams because usually the 4 hour candle closes around yes closes around 2 a.m. in the morning. So most times when I sleep these days, I usually just wake up around 12, 1 o'clock. So consciously, like on my own, I'll just wake up just to just make sure that I see how that candle closes because it's important to my strategy that I see how every candle closes. You get, especially when I'm expecting like a reversal or I'm expecting like an entry. It's important that I see how every candle closes. And today is Wednesday, by the way, and a lot has happened in the market. A lot has happened in the market. So I funded an account of nine. I actually funded an account of $12, but you know how Xnet do now. Their minimum deposit for bank transfers is $10 is $12. So I had to fund an account of $12. But what I wanted to fund was $10. Yes, what I wanted to fund was $10, but I was not able to do that. And then, however, last month I funded $5. So so how I do it is I fund the amount I fund the $12 and then I withdraw. So I deposit and withdraw so that everything will just stop. So I funded $12 and then I withdrew 7, and then I used $5 to trade last month, and then at the ending of the month I was able to withdraw 7. So this month now I have funded $9. Let's just say $9 in total. So I funded $9 and I'm using $9 this month to trade. So let's go straight to the chart so we can see how. Let's go straight to the chart so we can see how things are and how the week has been for me. Okay, so welcome to my chart right now. This is USDJPY. As you know, I trade only USDJPY. So this was the last month ended. This was the last trade I took for last month, May 26th. Yes. And then this was the last trade I was on from April entering into May. So I closed the trade on 1st of May. Yes, that was when I exited this trade. So today, and let's talk about this week. This week started right here. The week started here. That was where the week started from. Now, the first trade, the first entry position I took was this. I'm coming. Just hold on. Let me arrange this. You guys know how I do this. So the first entry trade I took was right here, but then with my overall stop, I placed my overall stop below the weekly structure. So if you go straight to the weekly structure, I told you guys last week that whatever setup I'm going to be taking moving into this week is going to be like a buy setup. Whatever setup I'm taking into the week is going to be like a buy setup because of this previous week candle, the way it's closed bullish. So we entered this week and I was only focusing on buys alone. So if we look at the market right now, it's been going down like since Monday, Tuesday, and today being Wednesday too. Although just say Monday, Tuesday, it's been heading downward. So I entered this trade on Friday. Yes, that was when I entered this trade on Friday. But because I wanted to start a new clean account, I decided to withdraw, like close the trade and re-enter back when it was Monday. So on Monday, I kept on looking at the market. And as I saw it kept on going down, I was just waiting for it to like give me a sign that it wants to go back up for me to re-enter. So this trade, this was my like this was where I was supposed to enter normally, but because I have left that withdrawal stuff I wanted to do, so I left and took the position from here to here. Yes, I took the position from here to here. Now, the second position too, I had, because my strategy tells me to buy here, so it is assumed that I have my first position here. Then the second place my strategy told me to buy again is here on this candle. So I just took this position and this position and I placed them here. So this position is not actually here, but why I put it here is because this is trading view. This is where I do my analysis. So I want everything here to depict exactly what my system says I should do. So this is my first position here. This is my second position here. But if you go on my MetaTrader, the two positions are right here. Now this is my third position. I just entered my third position this morning. Yes, I entered my third position this morning right on this candle. Right on this candle, that was where I entered my third position, and we've gone in a little bit of profit, but let me put this very well. We've gone in a little bit of profit, but the market right now is just pulling back. I don't know why it's just pulling back. And this, when price got to this high, like this high here, when price got to this high, my whole positions were in profit. They were in, okay, let me not say profit, they were in break even. So the losses I had here, the loss I was floating on here, and the loss I was floating on these two positions, when price just got to this place, this high right here, when price got to that high right there, I was now floating on a blue, but now it has pulled back and I am now back in red. So now it has pulled back, so I am now back in red, but then I'm still holding it. So this is where my overall stop loss is, below these lows. If the market should fall, like this, I'm going to lose this trade, the whole of them. I'm going to lose this one, and this one. But if it should just go back up a little like this, above this high, and let's say into this, at least into this one's break even, I'm going to make profit. So let's go to my MetaTrader and see how it's looking right now. Okay, so this is my MetaTrader, and if you look closely, let me open another time frame. I don't really know how to use this MetaTrader up to now. I can only use the phone on very well. See what I'm doing here. Okay, so as you can see, this is my last. I'm on 3 positions right now. Buy. This is the first one, 0.05 loss. This is the second one, 0.1 loss, and this is third one, 0.2 loss. This is me basically just doubling down on my losses. So I told you guys, people add to their wins, me I add to my losses, because let's go back to M24 and look at it. As you can see, the loss on this first position, let's just say I took this position here, from here to here is about 300 pips. Now if I allow this position run like this and hit my SL, there's nothing wrong with it though. Some people trade like that, but I like a situation where if the market is going against me, I can be able to like re-enter, and then at the end of the day close the second one in profit and close the first one at break even or in a small loss. That is how I like my positions. So that is why the first one, instead of me to put like all my lot size there, I'm going to put the smallest lot size on the first one, depending on how I want to risk the account. So I'll just put the smallest lot size here, then put a lot size that is bigger than this one, then put if I'm getting another entry again, I'll put a lot size now on this one that is also bigger than this one, because at the end of the day, for me, I just feel like I am increasing my risk to reward after the whole thing has been said and done. Like, look here now, I closed this one on breaking, but I closed this one in profit. It's still the same thing I did here. I did here that happened here. So the market, I took this first position. See how far it was. I took this first position. It kept on going against me. That time my overall stop loss was right here. That was where my overall stop was that time. But now I took this one. It went against me. I took this one again. It still went against me. But it didn't hit my stop. Then I took this last one again. Now this last one, see how small it went before price decided to reverse. So I had to like close all the positions here. Now after closing all the positions here, I closed this one on a loss, like this whole loss. I closed this one on break even, and then I closed this one on profit, and then I ended up making profits on the whole trade. Then for this one, I was not able to like re-enter anywhere here. So I just held only this one till it hit my last stop loss. Till it hit my overall stop loss. So it's the same thing I'm trying to do here. Now, if this trade goes from here and hits my overall stop loss, no problem. I'm ready to lose that. But if it should just go up a little into this place, let's say something like this, pull back a little and continue. Look at how much I'll make moving up, like trying to like take away this high right now. Are you seeing how my risk to reward will be? So I have a very big position here. I have another medium size position, and then I have a small position. So if it should just go up like this and say if it wants to like take away this high, and I'll hold it till it hits the high, look at how much I will make. But if it should say also that it wants to like come up to somewhere here, come up halfway like this and retrace back, no problem too. That's not a problem too, because basically it's very easy for me to like just close all my positions like this one in break even, this one on small loss, something like this. Very simple, and I'm out of the trade. So let's see how the rest of the week is going to play out and how this trade is going to end up being. But I pray it goes well. I pray it goes well. I'm also looking at GJ. This is crazy. This is why. Anyway, no cap. I just pray it goes well. I'll update you guys. Bye for now. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, like, share. You know the usual. Now just support your boy. Thank you. Bye.
one. No. It's another day, another school day. I have my last paper today, and I go write down like this. Yeah. No read. Still good. Are you alright my USDJPY position? Buy USDJPY. Put SL, put take profit. Lecturer like me, no take cap. You will cry. But on a more serious note, redo. If you have exam, redo. Don't be like me. If you get exam, read. Don't be like me. Me like this, I just hope, see. I'm just hoping the market will just settle me, you understand? In this life I go. But you read, no drop out. No drop out, read. Yes, you hear the talk.